Rainfall on my phone screen. Your old texts look brand new. Funny how the weather makes me fall back into you. It's quiet in my bedroom. Your silence feels so loud. I'm talking to the ceiling like you're somewhere in the clouds. I shouldn't keep your messages, but letting go feels dangerous. Rainfall on my phone brings your memory home. Every drop reminds me why my heart still feels alone. Rainfall on my phone, I read the words you wrote. Even though you're gone now, your voice still feels too close. Your number's still my weakness. One ring and I give in. I tell myself it's over, but you pull me back again. The streetlights blur like teardrops. The night becomes a blur. I swear I see a shadow every time I think of her. If healing had a warning sign, I missed it every time. Rainfall on my phone. Rainfall on my phone. Rainfall on my phone. I know I should delete you, but heartbreak isn't clean. Your memory writes itself between the spaces in my screen. Rainfall on my phone. Rainfall on my phone. Rainfall on my phone. And I still feel alone. Feel I saw your name light up my phone. I let it ring, I wasn't strong. I told myself I'd move along, but here I am replaying songs. Every message feels like fire, burning through the things we hid. I try to keep my distance now, but even distance never did. You always know the perfect time to break into this heart of mine. You're calling me again, pulling me back in. Every time I think I'm healed, you restart everything. You're calling me again. Love's a loop that won't end. Why's it always when it rolls that I miss you like a friend? I scroll through pictures from last summer. Hate the way they make me feel. We look perfect in the moment, but the cracks were always real. I shouldn't answer after midnight. I know how this story goes. You say things you don't mean later. I believe them, heaven knows. And the storm inside my chest echoes louder than the rest. You're calling me again, calling me again. Every time I think I'm healed, I'm up inside every friend. You're calling me again, and I still We broke in ways that lovers do, slow cracks we never saw. We try to glue the pieces back, but love don't fix that flaw. Your shadow in my doorway still makes my heart beat freeze. I breathe you out in moments, but you come back on the breeze. And even in this broken place, your memory still holds its grace. There's a glow in the ruins, a light that still feels like you. Even though the fire's gone, the warmth somehow shines through. There's a glow in the ruins, a truth we never lose. Love doesn't always vanish, it just changes what we choose. I walk around our old street, every turn brings deja vu. The echoes of our better days, still I'm your point of view. I wish that I could hate you, but love don't work that way. The heart keeps what it wants to keep, no matter what we say. And even in the silent night, you flicker like a lasting light. There's a glow in the ruins, a light that still feels like you. Even though the fire's gone, the warmth somehow shines through. There's a glow in the ruins, a truth we never lose. Love doesn't always flicker and just changes glowing through. Maybe we were meant to last, we're meant to make each other grow. Some love is made of letting go, but still leaves a little glow. There's a glow. And part of it is you. I kept your sweater on the chair, still pretending you'll come home. The room feels twice as empty when I sleep in it alone. Your laughter on the voicemail, I replay it just to breathe. My chest still makes a space for you, a space you used to fill with easy. And I know it isn't healthy to hold on like I do, 'cause you took half of me when you walked away, left me with the shadows of the things we didn't say. You took half of me, now I break easily. Even in the mirror, I don't see the whole of me. Your toothbrush still beside mine, I can't throw it in the bin. I tell myself it's closure, but I never let it begin. Our memories feel like tattoos, ink deeper than the skin. Every time the rain hits, I fall for you again. And every tear that hits my face reminds me you're the missing place. You took half of me when you walked away, left me with the shadows of the things Racing down the freeway, windows fog with your goodbye. The city feels like fire, and I'm burning from inside. Your perfume on the headrest, your laughter in the air. I rolled the windows open, but the memory's still there. And the faster that I go, the slower time moves with your ghost. Night drive fever, I still feel you deeper. Every mile I take, your name cuts through like a spike. Drive fever, tell me why I need you. I keep my foot on the gas, hoping love runs out last. Your picture in my lock screen, I should've changed it long ago, but we were better in the nighttime than in daylight's honest glow. These streets repeat our secrets, the corners hold our truth. I thought that now would heal me, but it only leads me to you. And every traffic light I see turns red like you're leaving me. Night drive fever, I still feel you deeper. Every mile I take, your name cuts through like a spike. Drive fever, tell me why I need you. I keep my foot on the gas, hoping love runs out last. Maybe I'm just chasing the version of us that stayed, but the night keeps replaying all the love we made. Night drive fever, I still feel you. Night drive fever. Streetlights flicker on the pavement, every shadow feels like you. I chase your ghost through empty spaces, hoping one of them is true. Your voice is like a fading station, playing soft inside my head. I try to turn the volume down, but it's louder when I'm in bed. And every drizzle on the glass pulls me right back to the past. When the night remembers us, I fall back into the rush. Every memory lights me up, every goodbye feels like too much. When the night remembers us, I swear I miss your touch. Some love just never fades, mine still wakes up when it rains. Your jacket's still inside the closet, I can't bring myself to fold. The smallest things become the hardest when your heart's still uncontrolled. I drive the route we used to take, same corners we would own, but sitting in the driver's seat never felt this much alone. And the silence starts to speak in the places you would be when the night remembers us. Maybe someday I'll forget how your hands fit into mine, but every time the clouds roll in, I fall back into the signs. When the night remembers us, I still remember too. still remember too.
I typed a message midnight, then deleted every word. I didn't wanna seem weak, but keeping quiet also hurts. Your picture on my phone screen makes the whole world disappear. I wonder if you think of me when the rainy nights feel near. Oh, I'm holding on to little things, the moments love still brings. Say you miss me too, just once. I wish you'd tell the truth. I'm trying not to fall back through the version of us I still run to. Say you miss me too, I'd answer even past midnight blue. Some words I wish I never knew. I walk the streets we used to, the sidewalks whisper you, your laughter in the distance feels painfully brand new. I thought that time would fade you, but love don't fade on cue. I wish the rain could wash it off, but it only brings me to you. And every heartbeat's asking for the answer you're not giving. Say you miss me too, just once. I wish you'd tell the truth. I'm trying not to fall back through the version of us I still run to. Say you miss me too. We can't go back again, but truth can still be kind. Just tell me that the nights put me somewhere in your mind. Say you miss me too, I still miss you through